Pretend Confused, and we're doing a lesson on parts of the eye for 5th grade. And I'm Jessica Bonner.
I'm Ariel Robinson.
I'm Erica Kahn.
And I'm Alex Mayfield. Here are some definitions of the part of the eye. You have the cornea, the clear outer covering of the front of the eye that covers the iris and pupil. The iris is the circular colored curtain of the eye. The retina is the nerve layer of the back of the eye that senses light and sends impulses through the optic nerve. And the pupil, the hole located in the center of the eye that allows light to the center of the retina. Then you have the optic nerve that transmits visual information from the retina to the brain. The lens is a clear body situated behind the iris and focuses light to the retina. The quadus humor, clear fluid in the space between the lens and the cornea. The sclera, the firm white fibrous membrane that forms the outer cover of the eyeball. And the vitreous humor, the clear gel that fills the space between the retina and the lenses.
Now I'm going to show you an animation on how the eye works. So the light rays reflected from an object travel towards the eye. So this is like the light ray that travels towards the eye. The transparent cornea blends the light rays, and the lens focuses the light rays onto the retina. And once they detect the light, the retina, it detects the light signals. And that's how an object is seen. The iris has two sets of muscles. One makes the pupil bigger when it contracts, and the other makes it smaller. So you could see, like with bright light, how it contracts, and with dim light, it gets bigger. And you can, I'm going to turn the light on, and you can see it hits the retina, and a chemical breaks it down. And it triggers an impulse to connect it to the brain and to tell you like what you're seeing. And let's see. It pulls on the ligaments to like let you know what's going. This is the lens, and it pulls on that for far objects. And the muscles contract towards the lens and slack, and the elastic lens goes back to its rounded shape. And that is how the eye works. And now we're going to look at some optical illusions.
Okay, we're going to talk about the blind spot. The blind spot is the area of the retina without receptors that respond to light. So an image that falls in the region where the receptors aren't will not be seen. The optic nerve exits the eye on its way to the brain there. So to find your blind spot, you have to look at the image below or draw on a piece of paper. And we're going to do this one, and I need a volunteer. Alex?
Where should I stand?
Okay, so stand over that one.
Stand over that way. All right.
Okay, stand right there.
All right.
Can you see him? Okay. What you're going to do is you're going to close your right eye or cover it.
Okay.
Okay, and with your left eye, you're going to look at the plus sign and only the plus sign. Okay, you should see the red dot in your peripheral vision, which is your side vision. Okay, keep looking at the plus sign with your left eye. Don't keep your eye off that. The red light will move from left to right and disappear and reappear as the dot moves in and out of your blind spot. So as the dot's on this side, he won't be able to see it. But as it moves toward the plus sign, which is where his vision is, he should be able to see it. Is it disappearing and reappearing? Okay, so this part, when it's over here, is in his blind spot. Okay, one more that we can do is this one. Right here. And basically what you're going to do on this one, again, keep your right eye closed. With your left eye, look at the numbers on this side, starting with the number 1. You should be able to see the sad face, okay? Or if you're looking at the bottom, you should see the gap. But let's look at the sad face. Keep your head still and watch with your left eye and look at the other numbers. The sad face should disappear when you get to the number 4 and reappear at about the number 7. So if you're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, it should disappear here, but as you get closer to the object, it should reappear.
Okay.
Okay? So is that what happens? Is it disappear at 4?
Let me see.
Disappears at 4 and reappears at 7.
Yeah.
So 4 is your blind spot, and then it comes back into your vision at 7. And that is your blind spot.
Okay, so now we're going to review a little of what we've learned. I need a volunteer. Jessica, show us where the cornea is. Try it.
Okay.
Good job. So, and that's the iris. Okay. Erica, show us where the retina is.
You're a cheater.
Whatever.
Alex,
Alex, yeah, you go.
show us where the pupil is.
The pupil?
Yeah. Good job.
Boom.
Okay, Jessica, the optic nerve.
Oh, I got those.
Okay. Erica, the lens. Alex, come find vitreous humor.
Which one?
Vitreous humor. And find the sclera. Okay. And then Jessica, find the aqueous